This is a feature that I can use prior to joining a meeting, where I'm able to go into the general settings in audio devices option and record a message that the system will play back to me. This allows me to check if I've got enough internet bandwidth, and also allows me to say if I've configured my devices correctly.
Sometimes the sounds within the house, the ambient sounds, specifically when you're living with 3 generations, can drown a meeting experience that you have. Live captions allows you to continue your meeting experience because it converts speech to text. Also, sometimes when we have the flighted jets passing by our houses, it's very difficult to understand what the other party is saying. It helps to turn the live captions on to understand what's going on.
Whiteboard and screen sharing is another great feature of Microsoft Teams, where every participant gets the same experience of whatever is being shared during the meeting. And the beauty of that is that whiteboard lives even after the meeting ends. It no longer gets erased.
Backgrounds really help me to show my mood. I change backgrounds depending on the type of the meeting, and I have a variety of backgrounds which can help me really express how I feel as well as the environment I want to be in. Rediscover Microsoft Teams by registering to the series of events Rediscover Microsoft Teams.